Power distance. Understanding cultural differences in communication. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into a fascinating topic, power distance, and its impact on how we communicate. This is especially important when writing emails or letters, as cultural sensitivity can make a huge difference in the way our messages are perceived. Power distance is a term used in cultural studies to describe the degree to which less powerful members of a society accept and expect power to be distributed unevenly. This concept greatly influences the way we communicate, particularly in written forms like emails and letters. In cultures with high power distance, people tend to accept hierarchical order and unequal power distribution without much question. This may translate into more formal and deferential communication, especially towards superiors or elders. Conversely, in cultures with low power distance, people strive for equal power distribution and democratic structures. In these societies, communication tends to be more direct and less formal, even with superiors or elders. Now that we understand what power distance is, let's delve into its practical implications when writing emails or letters. When addressing someone from a high-power distance culture, it's important to use formal language and show respect towards the person's status or position. You may need to use their professional title, or use formal pronouns and verb forms. The use of indirect language and euphemisms might also be common to show politeness. On the other hand, when communicating with someone from a low-power distance culture, you might use first names, even in a professional setting. Language tends to be more straightforward and less focused on hierarchical positions. While it's challenging to identify the power distance orientation of every culture, some examples can guide us. Countries like Malaysia, Guatemala, and the Philippines tend to have high power distance cultures. Therefore, when communicating with individuals from these countries, you may opt for a more formal and respectful tone. In contrast, countries like Denmark, Israel, and Austria typically have low power distance cultures. Here, you might use a more egalitarian, direct, and less formal communication style. Remember, these are broad generalizations and individuals within these cultures may vary. Well, that wraps up our exploration of power distance. It's a powerful concept that can help us to communicate more effectively with people from different cultural backgrounds. Remember, when in doubt, always aim for respect and understanding. Keep learning, and we'll see you in our next video where we'll continue to break down the barriers to effective communication.